Hello guys, this is Keanu with the GuesSING app. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the release candidate. So everything is pretty much the same. There's a few things that have been changed as far as like the feed. The feed's actually not even working right now. There's a few things that need to be fixed within the feed. As you can see, it's not showing anything. So when I did the tests, the beta testing with Test Flight, I had a bunch of people try it out. It looks like the entire feed was kind of messed up. Pulling other people's pictures as their own profile images, kind of getting all mixed up a little bit. So I actually had to go in and rechange everything that I had about my back end of the app. So right now I'm actually still working on that. I've been working on it for the past 2 days. I've been having a lot of issues, so this one problem is one of the main ones that I'm working on. So I'm still getting all of the back end set up and redone. Like I did some changes. So like when you go and create an account, you actually have to have an image and a username, email, password, and all that stuff, so that I get it right from the beginning of the app straight in order to have a feed work the best way possible. But as far as all the other basic features, they're all the same. If I go into the purchase part, this is actually set up so that when you click on purchase, it actually confirms, hey, do you want to purchase this? So you would have to go ahead and put in a password for your Apple ID and then hit buy, and that it will purchase the deck. So the in-app purchases are almost complete. The reason why it's not fully complete is because I wanted to get the feed and all that user info completed first. That way, when I go into the app purchases, I can control whether someone already purchased the deck or whether they haven't by using their backend information. So that's something that I actually, when I was going through the in-app purchase process and creating those features, I realized that I needed to fix the entire backend first in order for it to work the way that I want it to. So once I can get the feed and all the backend complete, then I can actually get the purchased feature complete as well. So these are the two main features that I still had to work on throughout from the beta process. So I have not been able to complete those things. Still in the work of them. Time is not on my side, but that's okay. I am doing my best that I can to get what I can finished for you. So like I said, everything in the app is pretty much the same. It all works. The only things that do not work is the feed and the purchase. The feed because I am completely redoing it, and the purchase because I actually need the feed part to be complete before I can complete the purchase. So that's everything for you for the release candidate. Thanks.